Hello everyone. Welcome back to the channel. Thank you for tuning in. It's your girl Beloved and I'm back with a new recipe for the channel. Beloved Catering Service is a business where we make all kinds of cakes, butter cookies, shortbread cookies, coconut biscuits, sugar cookies, brownies, ring donuts, meat pies, samosas, spring rolls, and all kinds of fruit drinks and fruit juices, especially sobolo. We also make all local rice dishes and Ghanaian authentic dishes. We cater for all events and occasions and any form of gatherings. You can contact us with the information provided on your screen. In today's video, we are making coconut jollof rice. These are the ingredients we are using for our coconut jollof rice. So we have our all-purpose stew here, which the recipe is on the channel you can check out. We have our homemade coconut milk here. The recipe is on the channel you can check out. I chopped some of the coconuts into these portions, and then this is our rice. We have some water, salt to taste. We'll be using a ladle, a non-stick saucepan, plate, and a fork for serving. Before that, I would be very happy if you could subscribe to my channel right now and then turn on your post and notification icon so that you get notified anytime I upload a new video onto the channel. And please share my videos with your friends and family. Please subscribe. We are going to crack our coconuts, make our coconut milk, which we already have on the channel you can check out, and then we begin the cooking process. The water in it and then set it aside. We also crack this and then do same. I'll remove that. Matured, it's very easy to take it out of the covering. I'm going to get rid of all of this and then we'll continue. I'm going to wash the coconuts. We'll make the coconut milk and then we'll continue from there. The recipe for the coconut milk is readily available on the channel you can check out. Now I'll slice some of the coconuts which we'll use for garnishing after cooking our jollof rice. Enough. I'm going to fetch them into our bowl here. I'm going to place the saucepan into the middle, take off the lid. We'll add in the stew, some water, and then we'll place it on the stove top. Since we are using water and coconut milk, I'm going to add in just a little bit of the water. Mix it with the stew. Then we'll add in the coconut milk as well. Combine. It's time for us to leave it on the stove for it to simmer and then bubble. Then we add in the rice. As you can see, it's bubbling. So we are going to add in the rice. Then we'll mix it together. Add in the salt. Mix again. Cover with the lid and leave it to cook. Now I'm going to open the lid. I'll cover it with a napkin here, and then we'll add the lid to it so that the steam continues the job, and then the stove will be reduced to the lowest heat so that it doesn't burn. I'm going to open it. Add our coconuts to it and then mix it in. Now I'll cover back with the lid for 5 more minutes and then we are good to go. Our coconut jollof rice is ready. Just look at that. So we are going to serve it. Now I'm going to serve it onto our plate here. Now we are going to add our chicken and sauce to it. Now I'm going to add some of the sauce. Then I'll add the chicken to it. And this is our coconut jollof rice. And this is it. The addition of the coconuts to the rice is a very delicious combo you should try. And this is where today's video ends. Thank you so much for watching. Make it a point to watch all our new videos this and every Thursday and Sunday for wholesome content and amazing recipes you can try with your friends and family. Also, we post short videos from Sunday to Sunday, which is throughout the week, so you can check that out as well. Share our videos with your friends and family on our behalf. Subscribe to the channel. Do all the good stuff for us. Follow us on all our socials. So we meet again, dear viewers. Bye bye.